Hi guys, what's up? You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I am going to represent about top 7 cars in the world.
The Koenigsegg CCX is a mid-engine sports car manufactured by Swedish automotive manufacturer Koenigsegg Automotive AB. The project began with the aim of making a global car, designed and engineered to comply with global safety and environment regulations, particularly to enter the United States car market. To sell cars in the U.S., many alterations were made to the design of the CCR. The previously used Ford modular engine was replaced by an in-house developed Koenigsegg engine designed to run on 91-octane fuel, readily available in the United States, and to meet the Californian emission standards. The Lamborghini Veneno, Spanish pronunciation, Veneno, is a limited production high-performance sports car manufactured by Italian automobile manufacturer Lamborghini. Based on the Lamborghini Aventador, the Veneno was developed to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary. It was introduced at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. When introduced, it had a price of $4 million, making it one of the most expensive production cars in the world.
The Lion Hypersport is a Lebanese limited production supercar manufactured by W Motors, a United Arab Emirates-based company, founded in 2012 in Lebanon with the collaboration of Lebanese and Italian engineers. It is the first sports car to be designed and produced indigenously in the Middle East. The Bugatti Veyron EB 16.4 is a mid-engine sports car, designed and developed in Germany by the Volkswagen Group and manufactured in Molsheim, France, by French automobile manufacturer Bugatti. It was named after the racing driver Pierre Veyron. The original version has a top speed of 407 km per hour, 253 miles per hour. 6.7, it was named Car of the Decade and Best Car Award, 2000 to 2009. By the BBC television program Top Gear. The standard Bugatti Veyron also won Top Gear's Best Car Driven All Year award in 2005. The Ferrari is a front mid-engine, rear-wheel drive Grand Tourer produced by Italian automobile manufacturer Ferrari. The F12 Berlinetta debuted at the 2012 Geneva Motor Show, and replaces the 599 Grand Tourer. The naturally aspirated 6.3-liter Ferrari V12 engine used in the F12 Berlinetta has won the 2013 International Engine of the Year award in the Best Performance category and Best Engine above 4.0 liters. The F12 Berlinetta was named the Supercar of the Year 2012 by car magazine Top Gear. The F12 Berlinetta was replaced by the 812 Superfast in 2017. The Aston Martin 177 is a two-door, two-seater flagship sports car built by the British car manufacturer Aston Martin. The car was first shown at the 2008 Paris Motor Show, although it remained mostly covered by a Savile Row tailored skirt throughout the show. It was revealed in full at the 2009 Geneva Motor Show, and deliveries from the beginning of 2011. The production of the 177 was limited to 77 cars, forming part of the name 177, and sold for £1, 150,000. In May 2012, one of the 77 was involved in a crash in Hong Kong and was written off, reducing the number of total cars in existence to 76. The Pagani Huayra, Italian pronunciation, Huayra, is a mid-engine sports car produced by Italian sports car manufacturer Pagani, succeeding the company's previous offering, the Zonda. It is named after Huayratata, a Quechua wind god. The Huayra was named the Hypercar of the Year 2012 by Top Gear magazine. On February 11, 2015 it was reported that the Pagani Huayra has been sold out. The Huayra was limited to just 100 units as part of Pagani's agreement with engine supplier Mercedes-AMG. If you want to see more videos about this, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video.